some concerns on how fast the Santa Clarita market is moving and not in particular cases. I'll give you a little bit of a historical context since I started real estate back in 1998. Everything that was talked about was based on some 6 month absorption rate in real estate, and the absorption rate is the speed at which available homes are sold in any given market. A 6 month absorption rate is generally considered to be the benchmark for a balanced market, meaning neither buyers nor sellers have a distinct advantage. So above 6 months would equate to a buyer's market, more inventory than demand or slower sales. Below 6 months for an absorption rate would reflect seller's market, less inventory, higher demand, and faster sales. In Santa Clarita and most markets, absorption rates have been trending lower over the past decade, closer to 2 or 3 months, meaning homes are selling faster than the historical norm. Now, why are homes selling faster in recent years compared to when I started back in 1998? There are several key factors. First off, low interest rates. Post 2008 pandemic era, 2020 and of course 2022, between 2009 and 2022, mortgage rates were at historic lows, dropping below 3% at times. This supercharged buyer demand, leading to faster home sales. In contrast, when I started back in 1998, mortgage rates were around 7 to 8%, kind of close to where we are today, slowing down the buying process. Number two, limited housing inventory. The 2008 housing crash resulted in fewer homes being built for years after that, leading to a shortage of supply in many markets. Now, Santa Clarita has geographic and zoning constraints that further limits the number of new homes being able to be built. Number three, digital marketing and online MLS access. In 1998, real estate relied on newspaper ads, printed MLS books, and in person networking. And I remember those days well. Today, syndication sites take over the game. You got Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, even Santa Clarita OpenHouses.com. Those sites make it easier for buyers to find homes instantly. More exposure equates to faster sales. Now, number four, cash buyers and institutional investors. A significant portion of homes in Santa Clarita and other hot markets are being purchased by cash investors, hedge funds, and iBuyers, reducing market time. In 1998, investors were more limited and financing was slower. Number five, stronger economic and population growth. Santa Clarita has grown substantially since the late 90s, attracting more families, professionals, and relocating buyers. More demand equates to faster home sales. What does that mean? Well, today's market current absorption rates in Santa Clarita are well below 6 months, meaning we're still in a seller's market even with higher mortgage rates. If rates drop again, demand will accelerate further and homes may continue selling even faster. If you continue watching the market, you'll see these trends continue to change. One of the things that I tell sellers all the time, if they're talking about why it's taking a particular length of time for a property to sell, it's because it just hasn't found the right buyer. Now, if you look at a market, most markets, buyers aren't going to be timid to make an offer on properties, whether those properties are considered overpriced or not. But as long as you have the statistical backing with the proper data coming from that local market where your home's being sold, you can feel comfortable that over time that house will actually sell to the right buyer. There are many factors that buyers look at, but as long as we have this less than average competition where we seem to be now as far as real estate listings go, as we get right into March of 2025, we will continue to see the market build. And because of that less than great inventory, because a lot of the sellers out there that have properties to sell are wearing these golden handcuffs, meaning they have an incredibly low mortgage interest rate, makes it hard for them to sell, and buyers are still going to have limited supply. I'm Connor with Honor. Reach out when you're ready. Santa Clarita OpenHouses.com. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.